What's happening? Tom E here. What happens when someone releases a product that has more value than I've probably ever seen with any internet marketing product whatsoever, yet it has no training? Well, normally what happens is I won't promote it. But the reason why this one is so interesting and why you don't have to worry about that training is because of this. A few weeks ago, my good friend Jono, he's very sharp. He makes a ton of money online. So I decided to sort of copy what he does for his promotions, right? Within 5 days, I had made $7,000, which is pretty unusual for a little promo like that, by adding a little twist. And then come to find out that this course, Profit Maximizers, is Jono teaching everyone else how to do it. I was super stoked. I couldn't wait to promote it. But then I see that it has no training in it whatsoever. All right, and nothing bad about Jono and Brendan who are releasing this, but the thing is, unless you're an advanced marketer, you need the training on it. So what I did is I put together a complete training course, showing you what I did to make that $7,000, because you see, I didn't just copy what Jono did. I added my own twist, and that twist was responsible for me making twice as much money as what I really should have done. So what I've done is I've put together the bonus of all bonuses. It is a complete course that shows you what to do with this Profit Maximizers to actually make money from it. All right, and you get to look over my shoulder, so you get to take advantage. I haven't told anyone how I do this, and you're gonna find out. And that course is absolutely free when you pick up Profit Maximizers. But first of all, what is Profit Maximizers? All right, what it is like I said, this is some pretty insane value right here. We are talking about 80 courses, 100% for free. All right, and not just any courses either. We're talking about all the best courses from Jono and Brendan. Let me see if I can magnify here. There it is. We're talking about the lost codes, the Fuego multiplier, the secret weapon, the Fuego breakout, urgency switch, like just about everything that they have ever produced, released, including some of the stuff that I have released with them. Absolutely amazing value. And the reason that they are giving this is because they are showing you how to make more money from your promotions as bonuses. Now, if you've never done promotions, don't worry about it. I got you covered there too. So let's click on one of these things, right? So what happens is, oh wait, there. All right. So for instance, let's click on the Fuego multiplier. Right? So they have a giveaway link. So if you click on the giveaway link, you actually get to the membership area of that particular course. You just create your own account, which is free. And so you have, not only do you have full access to the course, but you get a bonus graphic too. But the thing is, what do you do with that graphic? You don't know. Because there is no training. But again, that's where I have you covered. But the crazy thing is, all these courses are in here, so you can not only use them as bonuses, but you can use them for your education to make a ton of money doing this stuff. But the cool stuff, the cool part, the good stuff comes in here in my absolutely wacky bonus. So let's move over here to my bonus page. All right, it's called Tom E's $7,000 hack, and I'm going to be sharing with you how exactly I used this method even before it was released, before I knew it was going to be released, to make $7,000 in 5 days, and how you can do the same thing too, A to Z. So the bonus page is pretty basic. It shows you absolutely everything that I'm saying here. And you scroll down, you can watch this video, you can read about it, see some pictures. Let's see here. This is the product that I'm talking about, Tom E's $7,000 hack. It's something that I have never released before. I didn't think of releasing it until I saw this course, when I realized that it's an amazing course, but it needs help. All right, this is all the help you're gonna need. Okay, if you've ever dreamed of doing what I do at a large level, making tons and tons and tons, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars a month, this is your chance right here. Don't miss this. But not just that, but at the same time, oh my God, you get 80 of these courses, every bonus you could dream of. And the thing is, this is all the bonuses that Jono uses on his bonus page time after time after time after time Pretty freaking amazing for $17. All right. Are there OTOs? Oh, but of course there's OTOs. Let's see if we can get to them here. So the basic course, you just saw what the basic course does. OTO 1 is a done for you, and this one I really like this done for you because it contains 20 templates. Now these are 20 bonus templates which are completely done. All the copy, all the graphics, everything is done by Jono and Brendan, and they have killer graphics, they have killer copy, proven to convert. All you do is just insert your affiliate link, because even after you've been through my training, you're still gonna have to put together your own bonus pages. Even though you get step-by-step tutorials, with this you just plug and play. So that's a great OTO. I believe I think it's like $37 or something like that. Not sure if there's a downsell. OTO 2 is a classic from Jono and Brendan. It's unlimited traffic, right? So you, with this method, you're gonna need traffic. Now in my course, I'm gonna show you how to get free traffic, also how to get paid traffic. With this one, I love this one. It gets you free traffic pretty much for life by piggybacking off of Jono and Brendan's traffic, all right, by using something called a pixel. So you get to piggyback and get a flood of traffic every minute, every day, 24/7, 365 flowing in. Pure buyer traffic. This is highly valuable, so I recommend that one too. OTO 3, I haven't looked that much into it. It's a business in a box. Wait till you go through the funnel and you see the video and all that stuff. So I can't tell you if it's good or bad. They don't really do bad stuff, but you need to decide if it's something for you. OTO 4, it's basically training on scarcity. Okay, it's using scarcity to make about 6 times more money. So those are the OTOs. And that is, let's see, did I forget something here? Let's go back here, the members area. No, I did not forget anything. Again, the value that you get here, guys, is absolutely ridiculous. I couldn't believe they were giving away 80 of their courses. And of course, I got so excited when I saw there was no training, because I knew that I could exclusively offer my training on it. So you're about, if you choose to get this, which I highly recommend, you're about to dig into the most value that I've seen anyone release at any point in internet marketing. Okay, it doesn't get any better than this, and you get step-by-step training. It doesn't matter if you're fresh-faced newbie, you can do this with my training and this course. To grab it, you just scroll down below the video and then you click here. Now keep in mind, it's a limited amount of copies until this timer runs out, and then I'm shutting it down because I don't want this to get saturated. If you're watching this on YouTube, just click the link below and it'll take you to this bonus page. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself an awesome day.